Hello, good afternoon to one and all. My name is Udayit. Today I am going to teach you about Business Process Management. See, by the end of the session today I am going to cover what is Pega BPM, how real time business processes works, how Python can simulate or automate these processes. These things I am going to cover you. See, before that I want to tell you I want to show you an example related to the Pega BPM system. Okay, Pega BPM. Okay, today I want to show you loan approval system. See, in banks you have loan approvals there, right? See, suppose when you apply, when a customer means you or anybody applies for a loan, what happened? When a customer applies for a loan, what happened? How he applies for a loan? He fills the application. Next, banks what they will do, they will check eligibility. They will check eligibility. Next, approves or rejects. Approves or rejects. Okay, approves or bank will approve or reject. See, this is exactly what Pega BPM does. This is exactly what Pega BPM does. What it does, it automates. It automates it automates workflows. It automates workflows. Next, it applies business rules. It applies business rules. It reduces manual work. It reduces manual work. Okay, this is what exactly Pega BPM is doing. Okay, see, Pega is nothing but Pega concept is nothing but a workflow concept. Okay, workflow concept. Whereas Python, it is equivalent to functions. It is equivalent in functions. Whereas based on decisions rules, see, decision rules in Pega. Whereas in functions is nothing but a in Python it is nothing but a if else. Okay, here everything is case management. Everything is case type only. So case management here. Same thing in Python is program execution. Okay, I am comparing Pega BPM with Python. Why I am comparing Pega BPM with Python means you have to write a code using Python or Java, whichever is flexible for you. You can write one. See, here automation in Pega is equivalent to logic in code logic in Python. In Python, I am comparing Pega with Python because I am going to use Pega with Python here. If you want Java also, I can explain you. No need to worry at all. Okay. See, in Pega, we call it as workflow. In Python, we call it as functions. Decision rules in Python, fields. Case management in Python, program execution. Automation in Python, code logic. Okay. In Java also same thing. See, I want to show you one practical related to this loan approval system. I already run that code. See, here, what I am doing, I am taking input from the user. Enter customer name, enter monthly salary, enter loan amount. Based on that, they are going to check the eligibility. If salary greater than or equal to 30,000 and loan amount less than or equal to 5,000, status approved, else status rejected, like that. I am writing the code in Python. See, here it is taking the input and store it in a variable name. See, taking salary input, convert string. Okay, these are the things they are doing. Here, where Pega decision will taking, this is the place where decision rule is happening. This is where the place command gateway is also happening. Okay, here what happened means salary must be greater than or equal to 30,000 and loan must be less than or equal to 5 lakhs. Okay, based on that the decisions will taken. See, see, I am when I run this code, see, customer name, any name, Ravi. What I am doing, salary 40,000 I am mentioning, loan amount I am mentioning 3 lakhs. See, loan status approved. Why it is approved? Anybody tell me why it is approved? Salary greater than 40,000. See, salary, here it is, salary, see, salary greater than or equal to 30,000. Our salary is 40,000 and loan amount less than, I am mentioning loan amount as 3 lakhs, less than 5 lakhs only, no. Then what happens? Status as approved. That's why here loan is approved. See, I will run this code once again and I will change the details, then you will understand. Salary is less than 30,000, I will give 20,000 only, but less than 4 lakhs I am giving. Loan amount, sorry, monthly salary not, so I will tell you, I will run one more time. I will see. Ramu, Ramu, monthly salary 20,000, applied for loan 4 lakhs. See, now see, rejected. Why? Salary greater than 30,000 only, it is approved. Less than 20,000 means it is rejected. Okay. Why it is rejected? This is the condition. Salary greater than 30,000 are equal to means approved. Otherwise rejected. Okay. If both conditions are satisfied and I am using and operator I am using, both conditions are satisfied, then only approved, else rejected, like that. Okay, this is how the Pega BPM will work. See, here what happens is, here what we are doing, initially we are taking inputs. See, initially first start, while after start what we are taking, you are taking inputs. What inputs? Name, I'm entering in runtime now, name, salary, comma, loan amount. These are the inputs. Then what happen? It checks condition, it checks condition. After that what happen? If eligible, approved. If eligible, what happen? Approved. Else rejected. And finally display the result. This is how the flow is going. Okay. Next, I want to show you. See, if I want to show you how the real Pega systems will look like. Same code only I want to show you in another way. How the real Pega systems will look like. I want to show you. Wait, where is that one? No. This is how the Pega code will look like. Real Pega code will look like this. Okay. I am writing code in Python. If you write the code in Java, also you can write. This is how the real Pega code will look like. Okay. See, if salary, enter name, salary, loan amount, credit score, enter location, everything we are doing. After everything we are doing, see, I already run this code and then I copy paste. See, this is the salary less than 30K. Yes or no? Yes. Or loan greater than 500K. That means my loan is what? This is 5 lakhs. My loan is 1 lakh only. Or credit less than 650. Or credit less than 650. Or condition means anyone is true, then true. Okay. So Uday 25,000. Okay. Location is Nellore I mentioned. Go to that code. Where is that code? Where is that code? Loan approval, not this one. This is completed. Where is that code? This one. See. Here, salary less than 30K. Okay, or condition. This is yes. This is greater than, false. True or false means true only. Next, 800 I am taking. 800 less than means true or false means true only. So status is not eligible. So based on these values, here rejected, not eligible came. Next, why this code came? Minimize. Next, next I want to show you next thing. Would the salary less than 30K? No, it is greater. Loan amount 1 lakh. Credit score 750. Okay, for it is false. It is false. It is false. All are false only. False means false. False means what? Enter location as high risk I mentioned. High risk I mentioned. 1 minute and enter location as high risk I mentioned. Okay. That's why rejected fraud detected I am getting. Rejected fraud detected I am getting. See, I will show you. Rejected fraud detection I am going to get. See, I will show you. If location is equal to high risk, what? Reject is equal to fraud detected. Okay. These all conditions is not satisfied and it went to else block. If location is equal to high risk, then result is equal to fraud detected. Okay. Next, here what? Loan I am giving more than C, but loan is more than loan is greater than. See here for 4,60,000. That means 15 times greater than salary. 15 times greater than salary. Then what it is going to display there? What it is going to display there? See what it is going to display there? Suspicious loan. Salary greater than loan greater than salary, suspicious loan. If credit less than salary, then manual review. Like that, it is going to see. That's why suspicious loan I am getting. Next, all conditions passed. See, 50,000, 50,000 less than 30,000, 30,000 K, salary less than 30,000 K. It's no. Okay. Next, 1 lakh greater than 5 lakh for no. 800 less than 650. No. Enter location other than those things. Nellore. See, then manually approved. Okay. Manually approved. This is how everything is false means false. False means else block. Else block means approved. Okay. This is how the process is going. Okay, this is how the real Pega system will work like this. This is how the real Pega system will work like this. Okay, next here how bank approves loans workflow and then how workflow automation tool, how show process visually, explain each line like that. Here I am doing each and every line I am explaining here. Okay, Pega is equal to no code actually. Here we are writing any code, small code. So see, here we are writing less amount of code only. We are not writing big codes. Okay, and the Python we are using. Both together becomes a powerful automation tool. Simulate it is see. It is similar to customer support ticket system. Okay, input issue, assign priority, route to department, ticketing system. Okay, next today what we learned today we simulate how a banking system works using Python. In actual companies, tools like Pega BPM. In actual companies, what tools like Pega BPM, tools like Pega BPM automate these workflows without coding without coding. Same code, whatever I show, no, this will automate by using tools like Pega BPM. Okay. Similarly, we have Pega user interface. See, in today's class, I didn't show you about Pega software. Pega BPM software is there. See, Pega UI software, Pega UI, Pega UI, Pega software is there. See, Pega software, Pega community edition. See, Once you register into this one, then you can get the dashboard related to the Pega. Okay, I will show you in tomorrow's session. This is the demo class, that's why I didn't show you. In tomorrow's session I will show you. Okay, see what happens is when you open a page like see, I will show you. When you open a page like http colon localhost localhost colon 8080 slash PR web. When you write this thing, it will ask login page will come. At that time you are going to give your credentials, username, password. Once you sign up, you will get username, password. Okay, whatever I show you, right? Community edition there. Then login button is there. Okay, then what happened? Here, where developers, business users, and admins enter the systems, then you will get the Pega screen dashboard. Then what happened? Navigation panel left side and case manager or worker. Everything is case type only, no, in Pega. And that's why case manager or work area on center, header on the top bar. Header on the top bar. Okay, next left panel, what have left side what navigation panel what you will see App Studio, you will see App Studio or App Explorer, case types, data, reports, everything will be there on the navigation panel left side. Okay, this is like a menu where we design our applications. Okay, then you can click on App Studio. Okay, and then case type section. You can click on case types. Case types means above one what loan request is one case type. Okay, customer support is one case type. Customer support is one case type. Insurance claim is one case type. Okay, we have to explain each and every. We have to mention case types in case type section. Okay, then what visual workflow designer, visual workflow. This is the heart of the Pega UI. You will see a flow diagram. Flow diagram means see like this. Start, enter details, enter details, decision, decision, approval, end, approval, end, start, enter details, decision, approval, end. This is called a workflow. This is called a workflow. Okay, this is called a workflow. It is a visual workflow designer. Okay, in Pega UI this flow diagram is nothing but a, in Python we will call it as program flow. Okay, decision shape is nothing but if else condition. Assignment is nothing but input or function. In workflow designer you will see what assignment shapes. You see used for taking user input. See decision box. See, user input means enter name, salary, like that you are taking user input. This is like input method in Python. Okay, decision see assignment shape. In that you are taking name, salary. Decision shape what you are taking. Decision shape what you are taking. Decision shape what, these are the core UI elements. Okay, in workflow designers you are taking assignment shape and then enter name and salary. In decision shape you are used for conditions. It is used for condition. That means salary greater than or equal to 30,000. Salary greater than or equal to 30,000. What happened? This is like a if else condition in Python. Next, process shape. Assignment shape, decision shape, process shape. These are core UI elements in workflow designer. It is used for actions. It is used for actions. Actions means what? Calculate eligibility. See, if you want loan, you can check the balance. They will get all the details of your salary, loan amount, and everything, and then they are going to calculate eligibility whether you they are going to give loan for you. You are eligible for loan or not, like that. And then sending email, these all things, and finally end shape, assignment shape, decision shape. Okay, process shape, end shape. End shape means marks process completion. Marks process completion. These are all things you are going to do in inside Pega software, Pega BPM. Okay. Next, form UI. Form UI means user interface. See, you will see a form builder UI. In form builder UI, you have some fields. In that fields, text box. Text box is there. Text box is used for name. Next number is used for salary. Next drop down is used for next buttons. Okay, submit. This is what end user sees in real applications. Okay, in form builder you have text box for name, number for salary, drop down for casual or sick leave. Okay, buttons for submit. Okay, next data objects. Next one is data objects. Data objects is used for backend. Data objects is used for backend. In this, go to data. Okay, data objects. Go to data objects. Example, customer. Okay, loan details. These are all examples. This stores data like variables in Python. Like variables in Python. It stores data like variables in Python. Next, finally, reports. In reports, what happened? It is used to generate reports. Approved loans or not. Approved loans, rejected cases, everything in report wise. It is going to generate. This is like analysis in real companies. Okay, next, after that you can click on preview or run. Preview or run, then the application will run the application, and then enter data, click submit, click submit. Next, system process, enter data, click submit, system process, and then finally it is displaying the showing the result. This is how the entire flow. This is exactly happening in real application inside the Pega software, inside the banking system. Okay, inside the banking system. What are the things we are doing here? First one, what we are doing. First, username, password we are entering, and then we are submitting. Next, dashboard came. In the dashboard left side panel, we have App Studio, case types, data, reports. Okay, center case. Next head, App Studio is there. Inside App Studio, we are mentioning case type sections, loan request or customer support or insurance claim, like that. We are mentioning the case types. This is the heart of the Pega UI. Okay, in this workflow designer, we are mentioning the workflow. See, this is how the flow will be. Start, enter details, decision, approval, end. Then what happened? This is nothing but a workflow. Next, what happened? We are setting the shapes, core UI elements. We are setting the shapes, process shape, decision shape, end shape, assignment shape. Okay, in assignment shape, name and salary we are entering. In decision shape, salary greater than 30,000 or not, we are checking. In process shape, we are calculating the eligibility or not, like that. And then we are sending in end shape, we are processing. Next, user interface, form UI, user interface. In that text box, name, number, salary, drop down, casual or sick, like that, and buttons, and like that. And then finally for data objects, go to data objects. In backend, we are giving the customer and loan details. This is how they are storing the variables like in Python, and then we are generating the reports, and then we are running the application. Okay, initially how the flow will look like means, user enters data. This is nothing but a form UI, form user interface. Okay, Amazon.com, when you type the dashboard will come, that is nothing but user interface. Okay, data stored. This is nothing but a data object in backend. This is in backend, like variable stored in Python. Okay, next, decision applied. Decision applied. That is nothing but a decision shape. Decision shape. Okay, next, after that, what? Executed workflow executed. Okay, this is nothing but a flow designer. Okay, flow designer. Finally, result displayed in user interface. Result displayed in UI, user interface. This is how the flow will happen. See, you have a bank loan system, is there? Right? Apply loan means in form you are doing. Checking eligibility means decision, it comes under decision. Approve means workflow. Okay, notify user means process. See, apply loan means form in Pega user interface. Okay, check eligibility means decision in Pega UI. Okay. Approve means workflow in Pega UI. Workflow. Okay. Approve means workflow in Pega UI. Notify user means you are sending notifications to user side. That is nothing but a process. Okay. See, Pega UI is a visual way to build applications instead of writing code. Visual way to build applications instead of writing code. We drag and drop steps like input, decision, and process. This is how companies build banking, insurance, and healthcare systems. Okay. Pega UI is nothing but a what? It is a visual way to build applications. Okay, this is how the Pega UI works. Same thing for any application. This is the procedure. In tomorrow's class I will show you inside the Pega software. Okay, same procedure for anything. Okay, but depends upon the project wise, data is going to change. Data is going to change. Okay, next I will show you one more practical. See, you have insurance application. Insurance application, what you are doing, you are entering the claim details and verifying the documents and checking the eligibility. Based on that, they are going to approve or reject a claim. Yes or no? Okay. I will show you one more example also. See, policy. Policy is underscore validity false means status rejected. Else claim amount less than or equal to means auto approved. Else manager approval. But what I mentioned, policy valid as true. Claim amount of 50,000 only I am giving. Policy valid, false means rejected. True I am giving. So no problem. And claim amount less than 1 lakh. Here claim amount what I am giving 50,000 only. Then status is equal to auto approved. We will see. Then status is equal to auto approved. I already run these things. I will show you. See. Okay, I will see. Auto approved. Otherwise, what I am doing is claim amount I will mention as 5 lakhs I mentioned. We will see what happened. Manager approval needed. Why? This condition only valid when it is rejected. Policy valid is false, but policy valid is true, so no problem. If claim amount less than or equal to 1 lakh, but claim amount what I am giving 5 lakhs. If it is false, then else block it will go, then manager approval it is going to ask. Okay, this is also rejected. See, instead of true, if I mention false, then in this scenario, what happened? What is the output? Rejected. See, rejected we are going to get. Because if policy valid is equal to false, then status is rejected. Next, I will show you one more example. See, same thing we are going to happen in billing system in finance. See, same thing is happening in payment generation bills. See, I will show you. This is how the real old oil works. I will tell you where we used this type of things and all those things I will tell you. Okay, no need to worry. Where we used this type of thing. Did anybody know? Did anybody know where we used this type of thing? Hmm? Tell me. See, if issue type is equal to payment, then team is equal to billing. If issue type is equal to login, then team is equal to tech. Else finance. For every issue type, whether payment or login or others, separate team is there. I am mentioning issue types here. And then description I mentioned. If urgent in description, priority high. If urgent is not there, normal. So when I run this code, what happens you will see. See, issue type I mentioned as payment. See, I mentioned as payment. Description Urgent if I mentioned, then higher will come, priority high. Why? If urgent in description I mentioned urgent, that's why priority high will come. If I didn't mention prior urgent, instead of urgent, I will give you see if where it is this thing. I will run this code again. Instead of urgent, I will give see observe above this one and this one you observe. Instead of urgent, I am giving some ABC. Then priority is normal. Why? I mentioned here if urgent in description, priority high as normal like that. Okay, like that. Similarly, you can run for login also. We will check login and others also same thing. Description ABC is normal. Instead of ABC urgent, if you mention, then priority is high. Why? I mentioned like that. If urgent in description, then priority high. Okay, like this. Next, I will show you one more example. See, this is the where here enter name, salary. This is already thing we already discussed this thing. Okay, no need to explain one more time. Next, I want to show you this thing. See, this is the healthcare system related data. Patient name you are entering, symptoms you are entering. If symptom is equal to severe means then lab test required for performing test. These are the things, and then it is going to doctor provide treatment, generate bill, patient discharge. If instead of severe you mentioned anything, then no test required. Okay, we will see. We will see. Okay, patient name Udayit. Symptoms severe. See, lab test required perform doctor bill. Otherwise, if same code, if I run again, instead of severe, patient name Ram, instead of severe, I mentioned ABC. Then no test required. Doctor provides treatment, generatable discharge. This is how the process is happening. No test required. This is it. If severe, then these two, and then these three. Okay, this is how. See, this is just one normal demonstration. In real time, we are going to discuss about 40 to okay 40 to 50 sessions we are going to discuss. No, 60 to 80 sessions we are going to more than 80 sessions. Okay, in one class only these many practicals we are showing means in if you go for remaining other sessions also so many topics we are going to discuss. Okay, next what are the things I want to show you. See this udayit dot. See, I will show you. I will show you because suddenly some power went off. Okay, I need to connect to my mobile. Okay, wait, internet was disconnected. I want to connect again. Okay, okay. See, Udayit dot grade hyphen dot is this my net? This is my website. Udayit dot grade hyphen Udayit dot grade hyphen site dot net is my website. If you want the course Pega BPM, see, in first you need to create sign up. You will give your credentials and then you can create an account. Once you can get that account, you can log in here or you can log in here or you can go to home. What are the course you want? These many courses are there. Which course you want, you can go through this one. See, you want Pega BPM, right? See, this is the Pega BPM 25,000 after discount. Okay, enroll now. Inside that you go, you have to give your credentials and then you have to pay the fees. If it's while paying the fees, if you have any doubts, if you still have any doubts, go down. See, this is my mobile number. You can call me. This is my email ID. You can ping me. Okay. You can message me. Okay. Next, Udayit Tech Academy is my YouTube channel. See, I want to upload it. Okay, these things we will see later. See, youtube.com. Oh, see, Udayit Tech Academy is my YouTube channel. Commando is also available in this thing. See, Commando is also there. This is also BPM. It's like a BPM, Pega BPM related, but it is also a workflow engine tool. Okay, Commando 36,000. Okay, next I want to see Udayit Tech Academy. If you click this one, all courses related to the whatever these are all the demo classes uploaded here. Whatever the course you want, you can see and you can join. See, you have to pay the fees in udayit.great-site.net. Okay, this is my website udayit.great-site.net. This is my YouTube channel. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, thank you, everybody. If you have any doubts, you can call me, chat with me, or ping me, or at any time. No issues. Okay. It was a nice meeting to all of you. Have a nice day. Thanks, everybody. Thank you, guys. Bye.